If you're an HVAC company and you want to book more commercial jobs and commercial maintenance contracts, we're going to go over how you can get more contracts for maintenance and commercial jobs for your HVAC company. And we've all done this for the HVAC businesses that we work with. Not only do we help HVAC business owners get residential jobs, we also help them get commercial jobs, right? And as an HVAC business owner, typically you have a residential branch in your business and you also have a commercial branch. And, commercial jobs can yield consistent income for your business. Residential is obviously faster cash, but some business owners prefer to deal with, or they don't like to deal with homeowners, and they like to work with commercial jobs a little bit more, depending on where you are in the business. But for a lot of business owners, if you want to have a successful HVAC company where you can possibly exit, then it's good to have recurring income from commercial contracts, maintenance, and also a sales life cycle for residential homeowners. But in this video, we're going to go over how to expand the commercial branch in your business. And so currently in our company that we work with is we get commercial jobs from really referrals and to Google. And we also get some commercial jobs referred to us through like Facebook leads sometimes, even though our advertisements are catered towards residential customers, is we have some general contractors that slip in and have us, give bids, right? But really the main sources that you can get commercial jobs is cold email and cold calls, right? So typically what you could do is you could cold email, set up a system to email property managers, builders, people in authority who own businesses that you want to work with, right? Typically, let's say in 30 days, you want to get 10 bids, you need to send out around 3,000 emails per day, right? And you can work with us to do that, or you can do that yourself. You can do bidding platforms like Plan Hub, right? Where you pay I remember I seen it was like $4,000 annually to be able to bid on jobs on their platform. And obviously there's no guarantee that you can win a bid, but you can have unlimited bids, right? So if you're consistent, all you really need to is win one job to recoup the $4,000 annual that you spend, right? Which is worth a shot, right? And then, of course, is if you want to have consistent commercial jobs without having to input all the work, is your commercial jobs should come from a variety of sources for your business, right? And one of the places to put your business in a position to get commercial jobs without having to submit a bunch of bids and not even know if you're anywhere close to the number that you are, or sacrifice a lot of margin just to win a job, is Google, right? If a contractor, general contractor, or a builder, they know you from referral, or they trust you because they search for you on Google, the intent is there, then your margins for that job are going to be higher, right? So it's very important that you have good local SEO, right? You rank high on Google search and your map back, right? You can run Google local service ads. I've had general contractors reach out to our business from Google local service to tell us the place to bid, and pay-per-click, right? Obviously you want to spend at least $3,000 per month, but I've seen situations to where we literally win one job that's like $400K and that pays for like 6 months worth of ad spend, right? So showing up high on search is very important if you want to win commercial jobs, because the intent of the people that are looking for a contractor like you is very high when they're on Google, right? Of course, you can also go door to door, right? We've had situations where there's like a lot of new construction going on in one area, a lot of neighborhoods being built, and just go out there and start talking to all the people building the homes there, right? And ask them who to get in contact, submit some bids, right? We're in the business of building relationships. And of course, you can do cold calling as well, right? Google is pretty much the platform that I recommend online to spend money so that your company can consistently show up and get commercial jobs. In terms of outreach, I would recommend running cold email and maybe paying for a bidding platform like Plan Hub, and see how you do, right? Of course, these three is something that's a little bit more aggressive, more scalable that I can do, right? Cold email, cold calling, and then bidding platforms and Google. And then obviously, if you have some time, go door to door if you're in a area with new construction going on, right? And if you want to work with a company to set up your online advertising or have us send out set up a cold call or cold email team system for you to get commercial jobs for your business completely done for you, where you just submit the bid. We help you find the opportunities to submit the bids and place your business in a position to be seen to get commercial jobs. Feel free to book a call with us below. We'll get on a call and see if we're a good fit to work together.